Every day, people spend money on what refreshes them, from schools to markets to office and events. One simple drink keeps selling. Some businesses need millions to start, but this simple business idea that I'll be sharing with you, all you need to start it is vision and some small money. With little capital, you can start small, sell daily, and grow steadily. With clean packaging, consistency, smart selling, you will turn small idea into daily income. If you have been waiting for a sign to start up a business, then this video is for you. The year is still fresh. So as an entrepreneur, if you don't have anything doing and you're thinking of a business to go into, then Zobo business is the kind of business you should be thinking, because it's cheap and it's affordable and people are buying it on a daily basis. You sell a bottle for 100 naira and you sell 30 bottles on a daily basis. That means you're making 30,000 naira. Isn't this a good business? Then on a weekly basis, you're making up to or more than 18,000 naira. Then on a monthly basis, you're making up to 90,000 or even more. This is just an assumption. We are just assuming that you are selling a bottle for 100 naira, because there are some people that are selling a bottle for 500 naira because their brand name is already known. But as a starter, you can start with 100 naira for a bottle. Now look at it, at the end of the month, you're making either 90,000 or even more than that. What else could be so interesting and motivating than this kind of business, where you did not even rent a shop, you didn't buy any serious utensils, you just started the business and you're making up to 90,000 or even more a month? Don't sleep on this, because if you do, you cry later. This is a business you should jump into. Now, someone will be wondering, is this theory? It's not theory. This is happening every day. It's not theory. Unlike many businesses that need a space, as I earlier said, Zobo drink production does not need a space. You can start in the comfort of your kitchen. You can stay in your kitchen and prepare it. But mind you, you have to be very neat, because this is something that is going into people's system. So you have to be extremely neat and do it from the comfort of your kitchen. You don't need space. You don't need to rent a shop. You don't need to buy any serious thing to start this business. All you need is clean utensils and you are good to go. Now, there's something I want to let you know. The profit in Zobo drink business is fast. Do you know why? Zobo drink is cheap, but it sells quickly. Many sellers recover their money in a day, not a month. That is why it's one of the smartest way to make money if you are not doing anything, because people will surely buy. Now you'll be wondering, oh, I'm a student, can I do it? Yes, everybody, nursing mother, sit at home mother, a student, a youth, a man, a boy, a girl can do this business. It's open for all. There is no special degree needed for this business. All you need is smartness, the vision, and neatness. Now, something you need to know, it can grow into a big brand. Now, you can start supplying supermarkets, you can start supplying at events, weddings, birthdays, dedication, parties. Before you know it, it becomes a registered name that is known wherever your location is, and it becomes a steady income for you. So this is a business idea you should not sleep on. Jump on this if you are not doing anything or you need a side hustle. If you're an existing business and you need a side hustle that is stress-free, this is the kind of business you should be looking into. Many big businesses that you see today started small, but what matters is that you start. Instead of drinking Zobo every day, why don't you be the one selling it every day? If this message touched you, don't ignore it. This could be that business that changes your story. Okay, sometimes I like to do the thing practical. I don't just like to come and talk and tell you, oh, start this business, I motivate you and I leave you there. Here we inspire, we educate, motivate, we entertain you. I've taught you the business idea, how to go about it, but someone else who is into the business, a practical class will come up in my next video. So watch out for that video so you learn from the person who is into the business, who is selling it and making daily income. Type Zobo business if you're ready to start this business in the comment section and let me know what you have decided to do. It's a good opportunity and I don't want you to sleep on it. Start now. Please like this video and share it. You never can tell whose life you might change by sharing this video. And make sure you drop a comment. Even if you're already in a business or you have a side hustle, let us know what's going on in your life. You know, we are a community, we are a family. Let's discuss together. Go to the comment section and let me know what you think. Instead of waiting for that 9 to 5 job or the salary, start a Zobo business and you'll be amazed how you grow financially. Sell today, earn today. Your journey starts now. Until I see you in my next video, love your life, live life and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.